what happens after you close on your house? Hey guys, it's John Walker with the Walker Group and Keller Williams Realty. So I know a lot of you guys, you hear us talk to you about, how to buy a house and the process. But one thing that we don't really talk to you too much about is what happens after you close. So there's a few things that you have to remember to do, some things to keep in mind. The first thing is your homestead exemption. Make sure you file for your homestead exemption so that your property taxes are where they should be based on the estimate that the lender gave to you. So make sure you do that in the first couple of weeks after you close. The next thing to keep in mind is make sure that you're maintaining your home. Especially if you're a first-time home buyer, you're not used to doing those maintenance things. Changing out maybe like the AC, pressure washing your house, cleaning the roof off from time to time. There's a few things that you want to do in order to maintain your house. You can get the AC serviced, you can check on the hot water heater, make sure that all the piping is doing well. So there's a few things to make sure you can check on to keep your house appreciating and building wealth for you and your family. Now we can help you with those vendors. If you run into a problem, we can make those recommendations. So just reach out to us and we will definitely give you a name and number to help you out. But we want to make sure that you're protecting the asset that you just bought for you and your family. Give us a call, shoot us a message if you have any questions at 318-794-6769, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks, guys.